In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Lovable Project No Stress Guide. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Lovable and press Enter. Click the official Lovable website from the results. That gets you to the platform where your projects live. If prompted, sign into your account so you can see your workspace. Once you're in, look for your recent projects on the dashboard and select the one you want to download. After the project loads, click the project title at the top left. This takes you to the main project area where all the key options are available. Next, open the Settings section for the project. Inside Settings, find the Integrations tab. This is where Lovable connects with external services so you can move or sync your code. Choose the GitHub integration. You'll see an option to connect the project. Click Connect Project to start the handoff from Lovable to a GitHub repository. If you have multiple GitHub organizations, pick the one where you want the repository to live. Make sure you have the necessary permissions for that organization. You may be asked to authorize access the first time. Go ahead and approve the minimum required permissions. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Transfer Anyway. This step tells Lovable to create or move the project code into your GitHub repo. Give it a moment to complete. If it spins, just let it finish rather than refreshing the page. With the transfer done, go to GitHub in your browser. Navigate to your account or organization and open the repository that was created for your project. Inside the repo, click the green code button near the top right of the file list. In the drop-down that appears, choose Download Zip. Your browser will start downloading a compressed archive of the entire repository, including the current code from your Lovable project. That's it. The download begins immediately. If your browser asks where to save, pick a folder you'll remember. After it finishes, you can unzip the file on your computer and work with the contents in your editor of choice. If you ever don't see the repo on GitHub, double-check which organization you selected during the transfer and confirm the integration is connected in Lovable settings. You've just connected your project to GitHub and downloaded it as a zip with zero stress. If this walkthrough helped, save it for later so you can repeat the process anytime you need a fresh copy of your project.